Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the iQIYI stock. Ticker symbol is IQ. So as you guys may know, iQIYI stock has dropped to 18% last Thursday as SEC has announced it will going to do some investigation on the company after seeing the report of Wolfpack in this April. So today I want to present some of the bears, of course, and bulls opinions about iQIYI stock and also some of my thoughts. So if you are also interested in iQIYI stock, please keep watching. So iQIYI was founded in 2009 and until now it has been existed for more than 10 years and it claims to be the Netflix of China as it has provided its own generated content, very hot programs like Rap of China and Youth With You, which I have watched the whole episode, and also some movies and TV dramas. So the company's main shareholder is Baidu, which has more than 50% of its shares. The company has created a unique brand in China and is competing with like Tencent Video, Bilibili, as well as other media and video creating websites. So the company's revenue stream comes from four parts. The first one is same type of model as Netflix, and the second largest is online advertising service, like you watch the ads before or in the middle of the video so that they can earn money from these ads. And also content distribution, as they have the IP of a lot of their own generated contents. So first I want to present three bear opinions that has been included in the report by Wolfpack. Wolfpack's founder Dan David has been famous for shorting a lot of Chinese stocks. When I watch the Netflix videos, the China Hustles, he has started from the Oriental paper, and after that a lot of other Chinese ADRs. So his idea is to find the fraudulent Chinese companies who are made up those numbers to lie to the investors, and because Chinese companies list in US, if there's a fraudulent or scam, they could not bring the person to jail because that person is in China. So that creates a lot of space for this type of scam. So the first bear opinion is iQIYI has been inflated the numbers even before the IPO in 2018. And it has inflated the 2019 revenue by 27% to 44%, which is around 8 billion to 13 billion RMB, which is around 1 billion to 2 billion US dollars. And moreover, it claims that iQIYI also overstated its user number by 40% to 60%. And also its inflated expense, like the price paid for the content, so that they can burn off the fake cash. The second bear opinion is that iQIYI doesn't have a good fundamentals. For example, the company has burning cash for more than 10 years. It hasn't turned profitable yet. The company's debt to equity ratio is very high and its free cash flow is very low. And even in this pandemic, it should be benefit from this period as what Netflix did. But its user base grew only 4%, while comparing with Netflix has grown 25%. We know that the performance is behind in this period. In the fourth quarter, iQIYI's revenue is around 7.6 billion, while its net income is negative 2.8 billion, as its annual income for 2019 is negative 10 billion. Its current cash flow is around 10 billion. So that means without further investment, the company is possible to go bankrupt. So the third bear opinion is company's business model. So the company wanted to bring the freemium model to premium model, which means at the beginning they offer the user content for free, and later on as the users stick to the platform and they are very passionate about the content, some special drama or special TV programs, they are likely to turn into the paid users and upgrade it to the premium model. I think this business model would work in US, but in China things are a little bit different because Chinese users, they are used to the free content because there's no the cable TV model, so Chinese consumers not used to pay for the content. They would rather to watch the advertisement, but they would like to enjoy the free entertainment. And also in this industry, it's already become the red ocean. Like so many companies producing the content like Tencent and Bilibili. So it's really hard to dominate this industry continuously, because people are always like the new things rather than the old things. If the company are unable to produce the new content to grab the user's attention, they are likely to lose the battle. However, there's also some bull opinions about iQIYI. One is brand recognition, since it has to produce a lot of TV programs that is so unique and it's create a buzz in the Chinese entertainment market. Like what I mentioned, Rap China, I have watched all the content for the past 2 seasons, and recently the season 3 has just launched, because I really like one of the idol who participated in the program, so I will continue watch the program. Although users have this brand recognition or brand loyalty, but I also worry about how they make money, because they will put all the contents on YouTube for free. Like you can watch like majority of the content. If you are not very picky about specific clips, you don't need to pay for the subscription. Also, one thing that pointed out by the Wolfpack research is that some of their subscription is through the collaboration with their partners, like collaboration with JD and Xiaomi. For example, if you are the user of JD.com, you can watch iQIYI's content for free. In iQIYI's financial statement, they account 100% of that as revenue, also the fees paid to their partner as the cost. But actually, I think a lot of users, they just first become the user of JD or Xiaomi. So if they can get some extra like free iQIYI membership, they are happy to have. But if you ask the person to subscribe and pay for them after their membership expired, it is still a question mark. The second bull opinion is that recently there's rumor that Tencent will acquire iQIYI from Baidu, and on that day, iQIYI stock has increased more than 10%, I remember. And that would be a good sign for the company, because Baidu's main business is focused on its search business as well as its AI technology, like the current dual system and also self-driving car. But for the media companies, they don't have much experience and a lot of resources can allocate them. So I think if iQIYI was acquired by Tencent, that would mean a new story, because Tencent already have a huge user base through WeChat, and also they have this media empire, their Tencent video system. So if they can embed iQIYI into this system and allocate more resources like the IPs, like the famous actors, that would be a win-win situation for both the company, I think. So to sum up, I think Wolfpack's research really makes sense, because they not just use the data on Bloomberg, they actually do a lot of research. They found more than 1,500 people in China in a city like Beijing, Guangzhou, and Shanghai, and to actually do the research. And they can even identify that different source of subscription, whether the user just come to iQIYI directly or the users come from their partners like Xiaomi and JD. So they are really detailed oriented. So after the drop last week, iQIYI's stock price is around $18 to $19. And I just saw the interview of Dan David, which is the founder of Wolfpack. He said he covered his short position, but still left some short positions, and he think iQIYI is a fraud. So yeah, after research the companies and the bears and bulls company, I currently will not buy the stock, because I think currently it's in the investigation of SEC. There's a lot of things can happen. They may get a big fine, and their reputation may be damaged. The inflated financial number things. So I still wanna watch what is going on. But at the same time, I'm also not gonna short the company, because there are some possible like acquisition by Tencent, and you really cannot predict what decision will SEC made. To this event, there's still a lot of uncertainties, so I will be watching the stock and to see what will going on. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye!